Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hey, Stacy. So we're just sitting in the garden area watering because it's going to be another hot one. But hey, follow my day today, my weekend, as it's all going to be a weekend of working in the garden, building more raised beds, getting them filled, and planting our garden seeds. And then I'm going to start working on my new goldfish pond project. Oh, and then guess what? So I have been shopping around for stock tanks maybe 3 weeks now, and I debated going either the 4-foot long or 6 feet long, which I was like, I think I need to go the 4-foot long because 6 feet is, I think, going to be a little too big for me, and then just trying to get it in a car or truck it's big. So all of my local places here are sold out. I was like, really? It's just about the time that you want to buy it, it's sold out. I did find a 2x4x2 over at our Lowe's that's a little bit ways away. I don't know if I can talk my husband into going to get one today or not. He probably will, but I told him about it yesterday, and he's like, oh, we can fit the 6 foot. We'll get the 6 foot. And I'm like, I don't know if I want that big. I think I really want 4 feet. So we'll see what I end up buying this weekend. We're on our way to go shopping, to call Tractor Supply to think maybe the internet's not right and they do have a stock tank that's 2x4x2 in stock. They don't. So I think I'm gonna make that run to a Lowe's that's not my normal Lowe's, but it's a further away Lowe's, to go get one because supposedly they have 14 in stock. I hope that's really the case, because otherwise I'm making well, I could call too, but I'm not gonna call. I'm just gonna go. Okay, so now we're gonna have to see about getting this in the car, which I think we are gonna be just right. And it's perfect. So that worked out good. If it's perfect, I don't think 6 feet would have worked, I guess, unless I would have put my front seat down here, but it's perfect. So yeah, I'm hot. I still have to go to my local Lowe's because I did an online order to pick up some more supplies like the concrete bricks, the fence panels, some soil, and then I picked up this real pretty blue planter. I have I had 3 hibiscus. I think maybe only 2 are alive yet. I'm gonna put them in here actually. They really need a bigger pot, and hopefully they'll make a nice comeback. And I also, get it out here, bought this for one of my plants, and it's actually getting really nice and full, so that'll be kind of a cool thing to put in the new pond. So let's get back home, get this unloaded, head over to the local Lowe's, do our other pickup, and then we can start working. Lowe's round 2. So I am at my local Lowe's, and I actually did an online order, and I like to do that especially when I know I need a lot of stuff, because then it saves me making 2 trips into the store. So with this online order, I did 3 fence panels, 6 concrete blocks, and then I think it's some soil. I don't remember. Oh, and mulch. And then once I get that loaded, I'll go park, out of this curbside pickup parking spot. And then I'll go in, and I forgot, I didn't forget. Actually, I didn't realize I didn't measure right. I need 3 more concrete blocks and more soil for my raised beds. And then, you know how I am. I'm going to find something else. So I'm going to go ahead, put this call in to get my order, and then we'll go shopping. Got my order. Let's go ahead and head into the store. So we need 3 more blocks. Those are not light. Oh. So next, I think I better get more wood screws because I bought some. Okay, so as I was saying, I had to get some more wood screws because I know I bought wood screws, but I don't remember where I put them, and I don't feel like going home and not finding them. So I just bought some more. Okay, so now we need soil. So what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? That one's really heavy. I try to find ones that aren't too heavy. Okay, I got 10 bags. I know it's probably not gonna be enough, but it's a start. And I'm gonna get this here too. It'll be the fillettes. And the flag pole. So now it's like I've got to fit all this in like a puzzle. I've got room there, and I got all this here. Just the thought of unloading all this right now. Oh my goodness, thank goodness for a wagon. Can't fit any more in here. Get the fence panels. And there. Whew, I need a break. Like, I'm full. I can't fit any more in my car. Well, it's like a small SUV, but I'm full. I think I have, let's see, total of 13 bags of soil, 2 bags of mulch, 8 concrete blocks, some flowers, and 3 fence panels. The fun part's unloading it. So we're back home, and thank goodness for my wagon, because I hope that helps get all the soil in the backyard, because I got a lot to move. So hey, I'm gonna end the video, and I will have another video up maybe Sunday, Monday, and that will be actually with me with all the work that I have been doing in the backyard, and hopefully we will accomplish something. And then I'll also have a video of my stock tank pond, as well as the shelf and all the plants that I plan on putting behind it. So I will add another 2 videos along with this one. So I hope you subscribe, follow my gardening journey, and thank you for watching. Bye.